everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nelly Hernandez here, and we are going to do another new video. Decided to do my makeup today and decided to film it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and if you are returning, welcome back. Like this video if you like it, share, comment, let me know how I did. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. So first off, I am going to prime my face using the LA Girl Pro Prep. I really like this one. Okay, I love the feeling of primers. It feels so silky. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and I actually wanted to go ahead and use this again, this primer. The base tape primer. It's a little too bright, so you can't really see it. There we go. Okay. We'll see how it is on top of the other primer. Like I doubled primered right now. That's alright. Alright. I wonder if I have any left. So I need a new one. I'm using the LA Girl. I can never say that. Why do I say it? Girl. LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color yellow. So it's a color corrector. I'm gonna apply this off camera because this is nothing new. Okay, so there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and add apply foundation onto my face. I'm gonna use the HD Skin Perfect by Kokie Cosmetics. We're gonna use 3 pumps. This is a mid coverage, but honestly, it does good. All right. Patting motions. Is it me or is this foundation too light? Is it too light for me? Oh. I don't know. I just look sort of ghost faced right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add concealer. The 2 that I use is one from Kokie Cosmetics and then the one from Wet n Wild. So this one is the Photo Focus Wet n Wild one, and then this was the Be Bright from Kokie Cosmetics. So what I do is I go one streaky line here, another streaky line here, another streaky line here. So then I go ahead and take the darker one I use the Be Bright one. Around my face. Then I have the Maybelline Master Contours by Face Studio Contouring Stick. I am going to fix my eyebrows while this sort of sets a little bit. I like it to dry just a teensy bit before I blend it out, or it's just gonna, I've noticed that it just comes right off my face and onto the applicator. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and the Illamasqua Coloring Eye Pencil. And I am so sorry if I say this wrong, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out, and I am going to fix up my eyebrows after. Next, so I got that done. I'm going to use this tinted brow gel. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes real quick. Just set my eyes up. I'm using Pre-Game from the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. And I am using the SL Miss Glam SS57 brush. So I am using a um, new brush, Vasanti Contour Eye Shadow brush. And I am going to get the burnt orange color, the extra bitter color. You don't want to start off with too much on your brush. So I'm going to stamp this because I'm going to make a sharp line. Next, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the SL Miss Glam SS57 blending brush. So notice I'm making round motions back and forth. Then I'm going to go back with the same contouring brush again. So I'm going to grab again the Ultimate Edit, this brown shade right here. Tap off the brush. Get in there tightly. Soft motions in my crease. I'm going to grab a packing brush. Same color. Line it to the outer corner. Then, in the inner part of my eyelid, I'm going to go ahead and add the Bobbi Brown long wear cream shadow stick in the color golden pink. I'm going to smooth out the line. And then fix the line where both shadows meet. I just blend them together. Right there in the middle. So you get a seamless blend. I'm gonna use the Ico London Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus Wide Lash. Okay, that should be fine for now. I didn't mean to go ham on the liner today, but let's just leave it at that before it gets even bigger and thicker. Start looking like Amy Winehouse over here. And that's not what we want. I'm gonna delete this from my face. Farah 50F brush, and this is the company from Farah brushes that featured me on their website. So it's pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so under my eyes, I'm going to grab this color right here to smoke out my eyes. I'm going to grab the shimmery shade of the same color. This is just the shimmery shade of it. And then I'm going to put it like right underneath here. Look at that color. And I sweeped it back a little more. I'm going to add the inner corner highlight before I forget. So now I'm going to go ahead and add lip liner. This is from Rimmel London. It's called Café au Lait. And I am scraping the very last of my Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Sell Out. There's like no more in here. Okay, so there goes the finished look, you guys. I hope you liked it, and we are gonna set the face and go on with the day. So thank you for joining me in my video tutorial today, and thank you for all of your support, the people who do support me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then again, there it goes, and let me just go ahead and set my face, and I will end this time with you guys today. So there goes, set it and forget it. Goodbye everybody, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Like this video if you liked it. Let me know you were here. Tell me what you liked about the video, and thank you again for joining me here. So I will see you again in the next one. See you later everybody. Bye.